Hi, welcome back to Let's Code Molly. So, this time we are going to code version 03. I'll be honest with you, I would like to do some other stuff now, but this is not quite where I would like to have it yet, so there's going to be at least 03 and 04 until I'm going to take a break. I just need to. It is just too much. This just takes way too much time. I did not expect it to take this much time, so. Right, so anyway, 03. 03. Now, I would like to add an energy reminder, which I said I wouldn't. But people asked for it, so I'm just gonna do it. The way it's gonna work is you will be able to set an energy reminder in Molly list. By the way, I wanted to rename the title of that. Let me have a look. What is that stuff? Anything important? No. Okay. Let me do that real quick. I wanted to rename the title of the reminder list because at this point it really is reminders again. So, you will be able to set it down here. And I would also like to add the ability to set it on this helper. Obviously, if this helper is not turned on, you will only be able to set one in here. Now, what I can't read is the home events, obviously. I will have to let people know that when they activate an energy helper, it's like, hey, if you get energy from an home event, that's on you. But I can read everything else. So if you roll, if you claim, if you do a raid or if you do a team raid, all of that is already tracked anyway. I can change the energy. So let's do that. And the other thing I want to add is a shop reminder, shop list. So if you, for example, get some energy drinks and you got all of the energy drinks, then it will automatically create a shop reminder and will be then at this time, which is always midnight UTC again, will be like, hey, you can get more energy drinks. So that's the idea here. Now, that is actually a rather small deal, so let's just do that first. I just need to read the list of this shop and yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Right. So, let me have a look at this shop list. Well, actually, I don't need to do that. I can just read it. In the detection, let's turn on Molly. Let's see how that looks. I assume it's just a lot of fields and not much else. Embed 0. Is there anything in here that I can read? Well, I guess the only thing I can actually read is this. Buy anything with idle shop buy. So let's just read that. Let me copy that. There we go. Cool. And that is the description, and then it's probably just fields, right? Yeah. One field, one item. Easy. Right, so so I can just loop over those and loop over that stuff, which seems to be always the exact same. So let me copy a random content. And all right, so I need to extract. Okay, so the field number 0 is always the special deal. Now, I don't think there is a I actually don't know. Let's see. Special deal. Is there anything unusual in here, or is it just a random item that is cheaper or something? So here we have one time speeder. Yeah, that's apparently the deal of today. Let's see. Yesterday we had. No, wait. No. This is not updated every day, so I need to go back 3 days. Can I? God, why is this lagging so much? 1, 2, 3, let's just check. Here we go. Special deal, 1 rare oh, actually interesting. This is a special deal that is not included in the other shop items. Yeah, so I think I will probably just be like, hey, the special deal is ready, and not include an emoji. Because I can't really do that. I mean, I guess I could, but it would be a little annoying. Nah, let's see. Let's change that to August 12th. Still the rare loot box. Okay, August 10. No, 10. Still the rare loot box. Jesus. Still the rare loot box. It was a lot. Okay, so looks like these are active for a whole week. Here we have another one. Energy Galloon. Okay. Let's go back to 02. Still, yeah. Okay, so looks like these change every week. I mean, it looks like that. Oh, oops. 1 epic dice, which is also an item that is not in here, so it can be pretty much everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it special deal. If it's anything else, I am going to actually add the emoji to it. Cool. By the way, speaking of reminder messages, that just reminds me there is a mistake somewhere. Daily reminder. So if I create a daily reminder, daily reset time, midnight today, and then it adds 1 day. That's not what it actually does, though. Midnight today. That is now. Why exactly? What? Midnight today takes now, and then it just replaces everything with 0. Yeah, that's accurate. Yeah, that is last midnight, right? So it's go. Oh, yeah. Okay, I get it. So it sets the reminder to next midnight and adds a random amount of seconds. Okay, but then it also has this daily reset time, which is also the same time, which makes no sense to add. Shouldn't it make more sense to add the next one? But then again, that's also quite useless. You know, I think I'll probably change that default message. Although I do... Yeah, the only reason I added it is because if I don't have a second line. Although, is that even a problem? I don't think that's a problem. Let's just get rid of the second line. So that means we can also get rid of this. Okay, that is really not useful at all. Now, changing this is a little bit of a clusterfuck because people already using it will not get it updated. But in this case, because it's not a lot of people, I'm just gonna do it manually. So it has a few users so far. But it's really not a big deal yet. last claim time. So yeah, a few people are actually using it. Cool. Me likey. Someone turned off this. What is that? Someone turned off all reminders. Interesting. They turned off all reminders and only use it for the raid helper, I guess. I mean, sure, why not? And 2 people turned it off again completely. Probably didn't like it. Okay, right. So, daily. Where is the daily? There we go. Yeah, I'm just going to remove the second line. It looks like no one actually changed the text, so done. And that means, wait, user reminders. Where am I? Where's my ID? Here's my ID. Here we go. Yeah, so it looks like this right now. Now, if I updated the reminder, it should get rid of the second line. Ugh, where am I again? Daily, yes. Cool, done. All right, so with that out of the way, oh, I hate it when I do that. I always keep doing this. I just take it and then I'm like, well, and then boom. I don't even know why exactly I do that, but it's just annoying. So with this having this open, that's the English grammar. I could just do the regex. I think underscore, does the underscore have a special meaning? I don't think so. So here we have the name of the item. Okay, and then we have just yeah. Okay. And then what else do we need? We need this information, and we need the amount of time left. This, by the way, is interesting. Unicode emoji, seems like. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. And then at some point, we end up here. Do I have to escape this or not? We'll see in a bit. And then we have those 2 numbers, and then we have the time string. So let's see if that homepage is still around. Oh, look, he fixed it. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Special deal 01 2 days. Nice. So let's yeah. I don't need that yet actually. First I need to catch the message. Processing. Let's just copy paste this. Shop. That should technically be a rather small deal. Returns for all shop-related actions. Creates a reminder when an item in the shop is out of stock. Cool. Search strings. Now I'm going to look for... I think I'll just use this, just the whole thing, so to make sure it actually is the shop. Let's just hope he will never change text. Now we are looking for this in the description. And done. Now if the user is none, embed user is not here. Well, the embed user is always going to be none. There is not... Oh, the user. Ah, yeah, good point. User? Do we have a user in here? I don't think we have a user. Ah, that's a bit large, thank you. No, we do not. Okay. Let's see. I am pretty sure you can only open this embed with idle shop, right? Shop. If you add something, it's now. Okay. You can probably also use, yeah, idle shop list, idle s, no, idle sh, idle sp or something, idle. Dude, I'm really not in the mood for that. Thank you, Mr. Casey. I would really like to have some decent music, but, well, it is decent music, but you know, it's always the same, but copyright shit. Let's try this. I haven't listened in here for ages. Antichrist, well, that sounds promising. Maybe SL? No, I think it's just idle shop, so yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm going to do now? It is a little bit of a... no, wrong window. It is a little bit of a gamble, but maybe. Copyright free coding music. Let's see what they come up with. Chill step music. Is that copyright free? His is a really nice one, by the way, but I'm not sure they are copyright free. Let's just click on this one. Music. I don't think this is in any way copyright free. Yeah, okay. Copyright free, I don't know. Lo-Fi Girl is always nice, but I think that is also not copyright free. 12 hours of copyright free music. Okay. This is probably Carl Casey. It always is. Top 20 new pop songs. Nah. John Carpenter, Synthwave, 18th Crime Thriller soundtrack. Yeah, that's Twitch stream music lo-fi beats me. Okay, let's see. Is this a live stream? No, it's just a... No, let me just see. Is this too loud? Oh yeah, that's a little loud. I'm just looking at 15 minus 15 dB. I think we can leave that. Okay. I hope it's all right. Right, now, shop. We don't have a user, so I can just get rid of all of that stuff here. shop. Did I already? Yes, shop. Okay. Cool. Now we have a user. Rebinder shop enabled. Yeah, we will need to add a user setting as well. User command. I don't think did I add it? You never know. Shop list. Yeah, I did. Okay, shop list. Wait, shop. No, I actually need the other one. Shop by. Question. That is. No, actually, that is the right channel. Idle shop by. That actually works. Cool. Right. So. Yeah. So this is also midnight. Now, we need midnight tomorrow. And then we actually. First things first, let's get this stuff out of the embed. So this is this one. Shop item data match. Sounds good to me. Oh. No. No. That is a long fucking regex. Oh, wait a second. We need to loop over the field. Over the fields. In message.embeds dot fields. I probably need to check if that even exists. So let's do that just in case. And message.embed. So just to make sure there actually is an embed to loop over. Okay, now we field we field over the fields, over the loops. We field over the loops. Okay, field.value.lower. All right, and now we have the data of this. And now we are going to get all of those numbers out there. Now, first we have the item name, which is group 1. Then we have item amount bought, which is, let's just copy paste that. That is an integer. What did I just do? Item amount max. Let's just call it available. Let's make it super accurate. And then the last one is the time string. No, let's just call it the time string. That is not an integer, obviously. That is group 4. Cool. Now, if item amount bought is the same as item amount available. Oh wait, if it is less than the item amount available, we are going to ignore this item because we don't need a reminder. Cool. Let's do this up here. Now we need the current time. Midnight today, midnight tomorrow. Let's do that stuff once. Okay, now the time string. Now we do know, wait. Okay. Now we do know midnight today, we do know midnight tomorrow. Now, if first, let's calculate time left. So time left is await functions. Let me guess, I have functions. Wow. Calculate time left from time string. So I now give in that time string and I get back time string. I do get back a time delta. Now, this also includes the time since it actually opened this embed and stuff, but that is really doesn't matter at all. Now, I do have a time left. Now, if you look at this, it is always either it is something in hours or it is something in days, which means essentially means that if it is lower than 1 day, it will end the next midnight. If it is higher, it's essentially next midnight and the amount of those days added to that. So if time left is lower than 1 days, Jesus, stop annoying me today, is lower than 1 day, then time left, no, the end time is next midnight. Else, the reminder end time is midnight tomorrow. Actually, I could do that here. That's a little more readable. Now, if the time left is higher, no, is 1 day or, oh, actually, I have to be really careful here. Because of this calculation, it could actually be a tiny bit higher. Let's make this a little bit different. So if time left dot days, there we go. Actually, this is dangerous here. I do not want. Let's use another function. Time string to time delta. Exactly. This is the one I need. Okay. No, that's better. Now, okay. So, midnight tomorrow. Now, if time left is equal or higher than 1 day, then we add that stuff to midnight tomorrow. That should be accurate, right? Let me get some coffee. Yum, yum. Okay. Now we have the reminder end time. So all I need to do is actually insert the reminder. I mean, technically, if the reminder already exists and all, but that is a thing for another day. So let's just do it like I always do. Now, insert reminder. Reminders.insert. I think insert user reminder. There we go. That is the reminder message. Oh yeah, good point. I also need the reminder message. Oh wait, is that's that's literally where I am. Well, great. I'm just stupid. Okay. The reminder shop.message. Yeah, good point. I also need a message. And then we need to replace the user command. Yes. And the item name. First, before we do that, let's have a look at that. So, where are the default messages? There we go. Shop. Right. So, name, how does it list items in here? Underlined and bold. I don't like that. I hate that. I don't like that. No. What else did I do? These are all slash commands. So I can do whatever, right? Well, let's see how it looks. No. Energy drink is back in stock. And then we have something like this. Use shop buy. Too lazy to make the link. To buy. To is now back in stock. Use shop buy to buy some. Something like this. Energy drink. Okay, let's see how that looks. If I would just do it like Loom does, it would look like this. Yeah, okay, I should probably remove these. Yeah. Looks a little ugly if you ask me. Also, let's maybe remove the now as back in stock. You know, I think this is ugly. I also think this is ugly. I'm probably going to use this though, simply because then it looks like it does in the list. So, okay. Now, daily. Wait. So, energy drink is back in stock. So, that essentially would mean this. Item name is back in stock. Right? And use shop. No. Use commands to get some. The problem is this is a tiny bit misleading. Let's not call it back in stock. Let's call it back in the shop, because back in stock could be understood that it is restocked, you know, in the market and stuff, and that is not what it is, obviously. To treat yourself. Oh yes, that's cool. I also was thinking about it, if I should just add a few emojis here, because honestly, yes, people will probably not be able to get it in their own messages, but whatever. Is back in the shop. Use shop to treat yourself, and then I would just add the detail emoji, which I do not have with my alt. Duh. Molly. By the way, let's have a look if anyone else invited it. Oh wow, thank you Discord. What a useful list you have today. Nope. Okay. Detail. Actually, that looks kind of crappy. How about I use this one? I don't know, man. Nah. Let's just leave it like this. Okay, use command to treat yourself. Okay, so while we're here, the energy reminder. Yeah, now let's do the energy reminder later. But being here, good point. Let's add some. That is not where I wanted to be. That is where I wanted to be. Let's add the reminder settings, reminder shop and reminder energy. There we go. Energy and shop. Okay. Okay, I need shop enabled and I need shop message. And same for energy. Yeah, 2 of those, energy and energy, that did 30 and shop. Okay. Anything else? Yes, this is left done. Okay. Now I need to add that stuff to the database. Let's add with the database I use for my MollyDev. Okay, reminder energy enabled. That is turned on by default. We have reminder energy message, which is, I don't know. Okay, I need to default message for energy. So what is this going to be? So technically the idea is you can choose an amount, right? So you can either choose to be reminded at claim energy, which is 5, at raid energy, which is 40, and at team raid energy, which is 80. And you can also set an energy amount yourself. So essentially you now have energy amount, energy. You now have yada energy. You just reached 80 energy, for example. You just reached 80 energy. There is no command in this case. I'm just thinking if it would be nice. Now, yeah, okay. Let's talk about the energy reminder real quick. What I do not want to do is be like, hey, user, you now have 81 of 150 energy, for example, because that's probably always going to be slightly inaccurate. So I want to not use those numbers if I can avoid it. So what I'm going to do instead is, let's have a look at the profile. If I open this, all right, I will have a look at the energy you can, so yeah, I will look at the energy the user has right now, the energy he can have in total, and I will then use the energy regeneration rate and essentially calculate, in this case, okay, he will reach max energy in 142, yes, 142 energy, which equals, in this case, in my case, that would be 142 times 4 would be 568 minutes, which is slightly inaccurate because it's probably going to be slightly less because, yeah, of the tick, but because I do have no idea when exactly it will recharge the next time, I will just have to assume it is this. And then I am going to say, okay, I'm going to add those 568 minutes, Jesus, what is today? And add them to now, and will save that end time in the database. So I will have the end time of when does the user reach max energy. What I do not know is max energy itself, because I don't really need that. So the other thing I'm going to save, and now I have to have a look. Yeah, so I think this is actually the only thing I will save, except of course the reminder. Wait. Let me have a look at my notes. Wow, I wrote a shit ton of stuff. Actually, I just realized, if I have this open, right, or I am in the list, let's assume I'm the list, and I'm like, okay, I would like to be reminded at 80 energy. I need a little more info than just when do I run full. I also need to know my max energy, so yeah, I will also have to store that. So I can store my max energy, which is 190, and I can store when I run, when I reach that 190 energy, and then I can be like, okay, I would like to get reminded in 80 energies. So I'm going to say, okay, I will reach 190 in 568 minutes, which means if I calculate this, that right now I am probably at 48 energy, and then I can be like, okay, so in 32 energy I will reach 80 energy, and then I can set the end time of the reminder. So right, so I'm also going to store the amount I set in the energy reminder. No, actually, I don't need to store that, right? I just need to, okay, so you just reached energy amount, right? I can just set that when creating the reminder. Now, what would be nice to also include is you will reach max energy in, no, just timestamp. You will reach max energy, and then it is going to be called max energy time. Yeah, I think that is clear what it is. also looks like here I added a dot. Here I didn't add a dot. Well, that's just amazing. Yeah, okay. That means I probably, yeah. Yeah, okay. I need to do that first. Okay. So now the question is, of course, if you set your energy reminder to 190, and that is the max energy, this will obviously just be the exact same time, but that's just how it is. I could rephrase this a little bit, because right now it says you will, which means it is supposed to be in the future. So max energy reached. Energy full. Yeah, let's just call it energy full. So, yeah. Cool. Which means I now have something I can add in here. Oh, that looks like crap. Okay. Did I even add something in? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I didn't even add a default to the other ones. Although that is actually a problem, because if I add that now, I cannot save it, because... yeah. Fuck. Because the existing users will then also be null. Okay, let's just do something rather ugly. Let's just make it none. So, I mean, it will at least be like, well, there is no error, but you can immediately see, something is wrong here. Oh, no, that's also stupid. Yeah, let's use the real one. Okay, all right. Technically, that means I would also have to change it for everything else, but I really don't feel like it. That's just stupid. Okay, now let's just remove these again. Let's save this. Let's see if that did actually arrive as I intended it to arrive. Yeah, that looks good. Yep, looking good. Okay. Reminder shop enabled. The problem is I need to do that for every single fucking database now. That is... By the way, what the hell is this? Okay, reminder shop message, another text, not null. Where is there you are. Okay. Let's reorder that stuff. I really do not feel like doing that 3 times, I have to say. So let's have a look at this and just use the SQL. Create alter table, and I can copy paste that. So in Navi, I actually have a file which updates my database. So add, yes, exactly, that's what. So alter table users add. So that's essentially what I need to do. So I'm gonna remind energy. Dude, someone outside is making a shit ton of noise and I'm about to kill him. I never understand this. There are this like, nowadays we have some really nice, silent, electric machines, and instead they have these old ass things that make noise like crazy. But the problem is the default message here is the easy one. Oh, actually, now it should actually, I should be able to just copy paste it. Alter table users add. Okay. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna kill him, I swear. You can't hear it, but I'm about to. Where are my headphones? I need some headphones. Hello? Oh, I can see them on the other side of my apartment. Great. Well, I'll be back in a minute. Okay. And now I can also do this, I guess. Cool. That's much better. This looks like crap, but I assume it will probably work. Now let's add the reminder for shop message. Line number 1 and line number 2. Okay. And now I assume I can just, let's see if that already runs. Now if I update the default DB, just add that and I run this. It only added the last one. Yeah, okay, looks like I have to add them one by one, but let's see if that was actually added. Okay, that's better. Yeah, all right. I need to add them one by one or just merge it into a single one, but I don't need to do that. In any way, that is much easier to do than the other one, the other option. So now here are my new columns. Energy enabled, message, shop. Cool. That means this stuff is, by the way, that is not where it is supposed to be. Can I have this? No, it's actually here. Ah, never mind. Looks good. Now, let's add this to the live Molly, which has a few users more. Should be fine. What can... Oh. Oops. Missing the default value of the integers. Yeah, well, that's not how I intended this. The other one as well. Okay, let's try this again. Now we have success. Cool. Yeah, looking good. Now I could technically reorder them as well, but that would mean I would have to recreate the whole table, and let's just leave it like this. Cool, that's done. Now, anything else? I don't need that. Goodbye. Yeah, well, let's go back to the shop. So, shop. Oh, fuck. Shop. What do I use as the activity here? Because it has to be unique. Yeah, let's do it like this because I also need the item. Shop. Shop. Yeah, let's use the item name. Let's do it like this. Let's use the item name and replace all spaces with dashes. There we go. Looking good. And let's do an item name strip. Actually, let's do the strip up here just in case. Item name dot strip. There we go. So we do not have any leading or trailing spaces lying around. Shop item time left. Yep. Message channel ID reminder message. The reminder message is... Okay, I need to replace item name with the item name. Cool. And that, I think, should be reminder end time. What? Oh, I need the time left, not the end time. Oh, okay. Well, time left. This time left is only the time string. Time string, time delta. There we go. No, actually, let's call it time left. Now, time left. No. Yes. Time left, time string. All right. So, time left is midnight tomorrow minus now. There we go. And now, if time left time string is higher than 1 day, then time left is time left, and that is added. There we go. Now we have the accurate time left. Cool. I think that's it, right? Add. If reminder.record exists and user settings, not user command, user settings dot or reactions enabled, we will add a reaction. Jesus Christ. There we go. That should take care of everything, I think. Create reminder. Okay. Well, let's see if there are any errors. Let's just add it somewhere up here. Doesn't really matter. It's a mess anyway. Shop reminder. If reminder shop enabled. Oh yeah, shop reminder. I need some more stuff in here. Reminder energy and shop. Get attribute reminder energy. Shop. Why exactly are these defaulted to true? Is that even correct? So if I check for the yeah, because if I do not, yeah, no, that's okay, that's fine. All right, so if the reminder shop is enabled, shop to process messages, I should import that. There we go. Now, let's see what I broke. Let's open the shop. Well, I didn't get an error. Why are you not running? Because there's an error. Cannot import name Thaley from... What? The hell did I do? I didn't duplicate. I overwrote the whole fucking file. Well, that's just amazing. Luckily, we have Git, so that's not really a big deal. Let's just re-download the file. Wow, I am really stupid sometimes. Daily. Can I download the file? Yes. That is exactly what I want. Molly. Processing. There we go. It now shows me changes. What exactly are the changes? I think that changes only because of the file timestamp or something, because I don't see anything inside the file. So it's probably gonna be fine. Okay. Let's try to run it again. Thank you. That's better. Yeah. You know what I also just realized? Idle shop by. There we go. This is gonna be a real problem, I just realized. Because technically, doing it the real way, I would have to track these and then already create the reminder when doing this. But to do that, I would have to track all of the reset times of all of the items and the amounts. I'm not gonna do that unless it's really important. No, I'm just gonna not do that. So arrow, what do we have here? Emoji ID is not a snowflake. Why is that? Okay, I'm a little weirded out right now. Well, it looks like the other bug is gone now. That probably was because of that space at the end, although I'm a little weirded out because that used to work. Or maybe it did. Maybe it's only in reactions. I don't know if it, yeah, okay. Anyway. Oh. Why am I doing this always? That makes no sense. I only need to do this if I don't have a user already. I don't need to look up anything otherwise. And because I'm using slash here, I already have a user. Yeah, great. Now the item name is not found. Okay, let's pop in. All right, so item data, what shop item data match? None. Cool. Works great. Field, let's see. Field dot value. Okay. Let's copy. Are you kidding me? I need the content. No, there we go. There we go. Looks fine to me. Is this another one of these cases where it's just not... Huh? What's the problem here? Is this like... Oh, yeah, it's... Yeah, okay. Yeah. It is not only one line, so I need redot.all again. Okay. I see. It still didn't work. Okay, now I'm starting to get... I hate this stupid... Yeah, okay, just... Fucking hell. Just run, okay? There we go. It still didn't find anything. Okay, now I'm a little weirded out. Redot. Did I restart? Or did I just... Let's restart it. No. Okay. What is the problem here? Oh, actually, I do have the item name. Wait, what? Oh! Ah, this is another field now. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at this then. Why? Field value. Oh, I'm down here. Okay, so everything worked just fine, but this one down here is a little special. Yeah, okay, I see. Because it has no time string whatsoever. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna skip everything that is weird. That is, yeah, not ideal, but because I will not see if there is an error, but it will at least skip this stuff. Right, and that should now not have created anything. So have a look at the reminders. Yep. Now, because this is, everything is 0, I mean, I could now just make my own embed, but I am too lazy. So let's just change this real quick to see if it happens. If stuff does what it's supposed to do. So if this is higher, which means it should now make this for every item. I do get a reaction. That is the wrong bot. Man, I'm so stupid. There we go. Special deal. Energy. Let's see. Special deal. Where is Discord? There's Discord. That's the wrong channel. There we go. Special deal. Resets in 2 days, which means 8:20. I just realized I have to add a random amount to these reminders, but it looks correct. I just have to seconds. There we go. Midnight tomorrow plus time string plus time delta seconds. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. This. Now let's update all of them and see. Okay. Special deal. 2 days. That is next midnight, which is 19. So it's 21. Perfect. We have energy drink, which runs out this midnight. So, yep, looks good. Energy Galloon runs out 21 again, right? Common loot box runs out next midnight, looking good. Mythic loot box in 12 days, so that means it is 19 and 31. Cool. And we have the time speeder, which runs out in 2 days. Yeah. Let's have a look at the message. Energy drink is back at the shop. Yeah. Mythic. Yep. Cool. Looking just peachy. Right. Now we need to add that to the list. Claim daily. I wanted to remove this. Looks a little better. So we have the clan reminder. I want to have that at the end. Reminder daily, reminder shop. Shop reminder emoji. This is a real mess up here by now. Okay, let's energy reminder emoji, shop reminder emoji. If energy reminder is none, that doesn't even exist yet. Shop reminder is none, else energy. You know, it would be cooler to just loop over something, but then again, I need it down here, so I also need to... Boy, what a mess this is. Daily reminder is none. Where do I even get that? Okay, looks like I get all of the active reminders. Is that? Yeah, up here. User reminders. I get all of the active reminders. Okay. Shop reminder and energy. That is really ugly code, but whatever. Energy reminder end time. Where's that stuff? Oh, okay. Energy reminder is not none. Then energy reminder end time is energy reminder end time. Oh. By the way, this is also ugly as all hell. Can I just do that up here? So we have claim reminder end time is daily reminder end time is energy reminder end time is shop reminder end time. Any other end times? Probably not guild. Yeah, okay, that as well, and shop, and this, and everything's empty. Cool, because now I can just get rid of all of these useless else's. The clan reminder end time. Okay, never mind. Okay. Looks at least a little bit less of a mess, I think. Okay. Shop reminder, end time, energy reminder text. Okay. Yeah, let's add the shop first. So... Oh, shit. I have to... Oh, fuck. It's not only one. Yeah, so what I'm going to do instead is something like... Cool. You know, let's just let's just do it like this. So if reminder.activity starts with shop, then, okay, let's make shop reminders an empty list. Shop reminders dot append reminder. Nah, let's do it alphabetical. All right. Where's my coffee? My coffee is running out. It's a tragedy. Jesus fucking Christ. 1 hour, 20 minutes, and I haven't even completed the shop reminder. Oh. I don't want to spend all my days on this spot. Okay, so now we have a list of all of the shop reminders. Now, we don't need this at all. Now, if and shop reminders. Right, let's see. Shop field name, but actually no, that is always going to be the same. Now shop field value is empty, right? And now for reminder in shop reminders, I'm going to loop over all of that stuff, and we are going to do this right here. No, wait. I'm gonna do something like this. And I do know I have that code somewhere that is, yeah, there we go. I'm just too lazy at this point. Emoji is detail if reminder is the, that needs to go in here. If reminder is the shop reminders, yes, the last one, otherwise yes. Okay, now no, shop field value, since I can't type, I'm just gonna copy it. No, brackets, I need brackets. Shop field value, we're gonna add the emoji. We are going to add the reminder, the item, the item name. Item name I can extract from the activity. So it's going to be reminder dot activity. And it starts at what? Wait, shop. So shop, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5, including the dash. And we replace all of the dashes with spaces again. And we strip the whole thing and we capitalize it. There we go. Item name. And then we add the time string. Time span. There we go. Reminder time. No. Reminder end time is reminder.end time. Yeah, okay. Actually, I can just do that right in here. Okay. And once I have done all of that, I'm gonna add the field. This is gonna be the cooldown emoji. And it's gonna be shop by. No, shop list. Items out of stock in shop list. And value is shop field value dot strip. That should work, right? Let's see what I broke. Ugh, why can't something just work? Energy reminder doesn't exist. If energy reminder is not, yeah, of course, because I don't actually initialize this. That would be an idea. Energy reminder and shop reminders. I don't need to. That is already initialized. Okay. Well, it did open the list, but not how I expected it. So if the shop is enabled, which should be, and I have active shop reminders, which I do, wait, where is the code that added my shop? What? Did I what the fuck happened to my shop code up here? How the hell did I get rid of that code? Great. That is amazing. Shop reminders dot append reminder. I mean, sure, let's just do it all over again. Weird. However, that happened. Aha. Items out of stock in shop list. There we go. So first, this would actually be something like items again in stock. Wait, items, where is items back in stock? That makes more sense. But that is a little long. I mean, okay, this is a little unrealistic, right? Unless you spend a ton of money, you probably not ever see that. Items back in stock in shop list. Because everything else starts with the command, I would like to have this in a way that it also starts with the command. Yes, that reminds me. Let's just only add this command, but I actually wanted to see how this right here looks, because what I'm also going to do, let's just add it to see how it looks, is energy, right? And then Hardy 40 in 7 hours. Let's just see how it looks. No. 40 energy. Yeah. Let's just energy full. Let's just add this in here. Energy emojis dot detail energy full. Or let's just energy in, let's just do this in 7 hours, and let's just assume this has 2 lines. $40 energy in 2 hours. Energy reminder. Let's just call it energy reminder and see how it looks. Okay. Shop list. Let's just remove that again. Let's just see how that looks. Probably terrible. That's a lot of L's. Okay. Shop list. Common loot box. Yeah, I think that's actually all right. Now, energy reminder for the... why do I keep forgetting those new lines? Okay, energy. 40 energy in 2 hours. Energy full in 7. If I do that like this, it looks like it will be like, hey, user, you will be in... you will have full energy in 7 hours. But that is not what Molly does. And I don't want to add just a random... Actually, no, I don't want to add that because of the inaccuracies. I don't want to do that. I would like to have the user... okay, so... It might be that users would like to have an energy reminder when the energy is full, right? But they would also like to have an energy reminder when energy reaches, for example, 80. So they would like to have 2 energy reminders active at the same time. But that is not how this works. I wanted to have 1. So... yeah, you know, I can always change it later on. So let's remove the second line to just not make it unclear. Now, this is not gonna have a shiny little slash command because I don't know which one to add. I was just about to say, technically I only need 1 line, but then we have the issues again that it looks crappy on mobile. So that is why I have this rather useless line up here. What about something like this? Reaching 40 energy in 7 hours. Hours. Let's see how that looks. Reaching 40 energy in 0 hours. That's yeah. First of all, I need to have this up because the shop items will be here for a long time. So I want to have this at the end. They are the least important thing. Otherwise, they're just annoying. Just like, oh, why do I have to go over these every time I look at this list? So Let's add them to the end. Oh, well, yeah, okay. To the end, we have the custom reminders, but let's ignore those. Okay, so that's that. Now, the energy reminder would now be after the daily reminder. I think it might actually have to go all the way to the top because it is the shortest one. I mean, yeah, technically, I could sort all of this by time left anyway, but then it would look differently every time, which also is kind of stupid. Okay, let's reorder the stuff. Yeah, I think that's better now. I could, of course, cheat and be like, okay, I just make this a link so it looks a little bit like the other ones, but that probably looks absolutely terrible. Let's see how it looks. Let's make this just let's just add a random link to Discord. Wow, that worked great. Ah, why didn't that work? Is it the other way around? No, it's not the other way around. The link is accurate. Huh? Am I stupid right now? No, it is. No. Maybe I need to add this. Maybe you cannot have links in field names? Let's try the exact same thing in the content. Let's see what happens then. So I literally just copy pasted it, and now, yeah, fucking hell. You can't have links in field names. It looks like crap anyway, but oh, that's annoying. You know what? Let's try something like this. Let's for example be like energy, right? Just call it energy, and then we're like reminding. Let's see. Detail to at 40 energy in 7 hours, and we're gonna add another line which is just like energy full. Now I don't want that because of the, let's just add it for now and see how it looks. Energy full in 7 hours. Reminder at 40 energy in 2 hours. Let's see how that looks. What the hell did I do now? Okay. The problem is if I add this line here, people will most certainly expect this also be a reminder, which it isn't. So let's remove it. Jesus Christ, okay. Reminding at 40 energy in 2 hours. So I know that it would be nice to have this, you will reach yada 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 in such and such, but the problem is that this energy thing is inaccurate. And there's nothing I can do about it. So I don't want to show all kinds of stats that will always be off. By the way, what the hell is going on here? Team rate, oh my goodness. Oh, I just pinged myself. Oh, that's great. Yeah, okay. Reaching 40 energy in 2 hours. And then the issue is this second line. What do I add to this stupid second line? Use why are these slash commands? Because it's in the name. Yeah, okay. Use profile to update your current energy. Let's see how that looks. There's an emoji missing, I would say. Use profile to update. Yeah, and if I do not have an energy reminder active, yeah, the question is, should I mean, there's two options. Make this a little quieter. Okay, so there's two options. Either I just do not show anything at all, right? So that it's just not here, or I'm be like, okay, there is no energy reminder active. And the second line would then be like, use yada yada. I'm gonna add something down here to set a new reminder. But I think I'm just gonna not show anything at the moment. Otherwise, this is just getting larger and larger. So I think this is actually not too bad. This, by the way, midnight UTC. Shop list. How about shop list restocks? Restock? No, shop restocks. Is that actual proper English restocks. PS5 restock updates is now letting for invite only PS5 restocks. Yeah, I think that is probably actually proper English. So shop list restocks. I have too many windows open. Shop list restocks. Common loot box. Yeah, okay. I think, yeah. Now, again, this will only be created if you open the shop list, but there isn't much else I can do because I would have to track over. I have to keep track of a shit ton of stuff, which is just annoying. This will also not be here if there are no shop reminders. Yeah, okay. Let's do it like this. Now, I also need energy reminder. Now the amount of energy. I mean, I could set that with the user. It would be nice to have that where it actually belongs, which is inside the reminder. And I do have that inside the reminder, but only if the user didn't change the message. So I can't really do that. So the only way to get that in there is using it as the activity. So I would like to have something like energy 40. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to do that. So now if energy reminder, no, if user settings, okay, first things first. If reminder energy is actually enabled and we do have an energy reminder, because otherwise it's just not going to be there, then we're going to add this field. Now reminder, no wait, this is going to be, if I'm going to add it like this is going to be energy reminder.activity. Let's see, energy 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And this is the timestamp. Let me just copy paste that stuff. This is what I want. Energy reminder dot end time. Yeah. Also, this is a little long now. Okay, now we already added that as well. I mean, that's nice, even though I have not added the actual energy reminder. So, cool. And now it's not in here anymore because there is no energy reminder active. Cool. Now the shop reminders. Okay, wait a second. We are not done yet. We now added it to the reminder list. Now we need to add it to the settings. Where are the reminder settings? Slash command. No, DND mode. Claim. There we go. Claim, daily, energy and shop. Energy and shop. Now let's do this. Energy shop. Now let's add some explanation. Now we'll show you when items are back in stock, when items are restocked, let's just make it super clear. Restock in the shop. In the wait, no, strings dot slash commands shop list in the shop list. All right. Note that you need to open the shop to create reminders. Okay. So that's clear. And then we have the energy. You can create an energy reminder in list or the profile help. No, the profile reminders helper. Yeah, I wanted to add list, but the problem is I'm not going to do that, because to do that I would need the guild settings to get the prefix. I mean, I can just get it, but yeah, let's just get it. So, try. Well, actually, it has to exist. So, guild settings. Await. I am pretty sure. Oh, I actually have the guilds. Okay. Await guilds dot get guilds get prefix. Why is that even a thing? Get prefix. Why do I even need that stupid? I mean, it makes no sense for this to exist, because I can just get the whole guild and then get the prefix from this, like I do. No, wait, this is the database file. There we go. Detection, guild settings. Well, okay, that's what do I even need that for in here, actually? The event pings. Yeah, okay. Clan. Guild members. Why is this called get guild member by name? Shouldn't that be called get clan member by name? And this should also be called clan members. Oh. What did I do? Yeah, actually this okay, so this thing makes no sense whatsoever. This is a really old leftover, I guess. That is just the other one here. Yeah, I need this, but get guild. Yeah. All right. So now I need to get rid of this. So guilds settings. Get guild. And the guild ID is ctx.guild.id. Okay. And the prefix is now guild settings.prefix. That's what I need. All right, and now I can add the prefix here, and that is what I actually wanted. Actually, I don't need. Never mind. Let's see. Settings, reminders. Wow, that looks great. I think I forgot some. Yep, an underscore here. Okay. Shows when items are restocked in the shop. Let's note that you need to open the shop to create reminders. Restocked shop items when sold out items are restocked. With in Molly list or the profile reminders helper. Profile is that what it's even called? I think it is, right? Timers. You can create a reminder from list or the profile timers if enabled. Okay, let's just have a look at how that looks. Probably terrible. Actually, it's now one line, so that's nice. Yeah, okay. Oh, by the way, looking at this last claim time, let's hop into that real quick because I realized when you change the last claim time, I do not actually update reminder. Last claim time that I need. That is set last climb. There it is. Set last climb. Yeah. That's English for you. So this is where I this is where I update the last claim time. Okay. It also resets the time splitters. That is correct. But I also need to get reminders. No. Reminder. Reminders dot reminder. Now let's see. Reminders dot get user reminder. User ID. Interaction dot. No. self.view.user.id. Is that a thing? Do I have that? Let's check. View. I call this from settings reminders view. By the way, I can just add energy here. And shop items. So that is also already done. I self.ctx. Self.user, yeah, okay. Why do I use self.ctx? Do I use that for anything? I'm pretty sure I don't ever need that. Self.view.user.id. Okay, so that is a claim reminder. Exceptions. I do not have exceptions. Exceptions. Exceptions.noData found. Reminder is none. Now, if a reminder is not none, how many times do I make the same typing mistake? I am going to. Okay, I need to recalculate the end time. So I just changed the last claim time, right? Which is updated. So Okay, I need last claim time old is self.view.user settings.last claim time. Okay, now what I need is last claim time. Okay, await, no. End time new is reminder.endtime, right? And then we add last claim time old. No, Jesus Christ, self.view.user settings.last claim time. This is what it is set to now. And then we subtract. Actually, if I do that, I get a time delta. Ah, yes, that's correct. So I use the new claim time and I subtract the old claim time, which gives me the time in between them, and I add that to the end time. Of course, if I move the last claim time in the opposite direction, I don't really know what then happens. We will have to test it. And then we do update reminder end time is the new end time. Right, now I should probably let the user know that I just did that. So, did we already respond? No, the response is here. So let's add a follow-up. Send. Updated. Actually, I'm not sure. Content. Updated last claim time. Note that if you had a claim reminder active, this also changed the... Oh, you know what I just realized? Oh, wait, okay. First, let's do this. This also changed the this also changed the reminder. Done. And now we are going to Jesus Christ. Okay, now what I just realized that what happens when this reminder is now in the past? Let's have a look at the database. I think we already looked at that once. It was like, yes, schedule reminders. It gets all of these, and this is essentially it gets all the reminders which are not triggered, and it gets all of them between now and in the next 15 seconds. So if I update with a time in the past, it will just vanish. But that's great. So I need to make sure it's not in the past. Let's see what happens in this update function though. Do I handle that in here? I should, hopefully. So end time is end time. Yes. Okay, so here's the end time. This is the time left. So this is automatically set to triggered if it is less than 15 seconds in the future. I'm pretty sure I looked this up already. Now, total seconds. Okay. Python daytime total seconds. Let's see what this is doing exactly. Daytime. Here we go. Total seconds. Return the total number of seconds containing in the duration. Yes, but can it go negative? That is useless. Daytime Python total seconds negative. Can it go negative? It's not even in this page. Why did it even list this page? I'm just gonna test it. This is stupid. Okay, so we need the time left. Okay, so current time. I'm just gonna add it to, I don't know, here. Right in the main file. Okay, so end time is, I don't know, current time minus time delta. I don't have time delta here. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Let's make it 20 minutes. So, and now print end time dot total total seconds. I only have total seconds with it. Oh, yeah, okay. I only have total seconds with it. Time delta. Yeah, obviously. So, yeah, okay. So print current time minus end time dot total. I swear. Dot total seconds. Let's see what I get. Total seconds is 1200. Yeah. So that's not negative. Well, that is just bullshit. Let's see, the end time is in the past, right? Yeah. Oh man, this is just bullshit. Do I really not check for that? Didn't I already look at this in another episode and I was like, yeah, everything is fine. Well, it obviously isn't fine. Let's just 020. Yeah. Times something. Let's have a look at the actual time delta. Time delta. Yeah, this is not even, this is just 20 minutes. Am I stupid right now? I get now, and the end time is current time minus 20 minutes. And that is, that's in the past, right? Yeah, that's in the past. But this is not negative at all. This is just quite literally just 20 minutes. Is there anywhere I actually check if this is in the past? I mean, I don't. I really don't. Wow, that sucks, man. Yeah, okay. Anyway, that means I need to do it in here. Updated or deleted the reminder. This also notes that if you had a claim reminder, this also updated or deleted the reminder. Let's just do it real simple. If reminder is not none, okay, end time new, yada yada. Now, if end time new is, no wait, if last claim time, if, let's get this, if the new claim time is older than the last claim time, I'm just gonna get rid of the whole thing. Else it's gonna update it. Okay. Done. Oh man. Okay, so if I mean, yeah, okay, so settings reminders. Let's just see if I can already change this. Energy. Yep, works. I cannot enable it again. Well, that's what? Disabled? But re-enabling doesn't work. Claim disabled? The fuck is going on here? Huh? I didn't even change anything in there. Toggle user settings. This is quite an old thing. Why is this not working? Let's hop in here. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so the keyword arguments. It's still... Why is it still false? What? Okay, setting value is... Yeah. New setting value. Oh my god, what the fuck is this bullshit here? I mean, obviously that doesn't work. Wait, what? Setting value. Wait. What am I doing here? Select value? Oh no, setting value. I'm an idiot. So yes, it is false. So the new setting value is the opposite, and that makes it still false? What? Oh. Wow. I'm quite happy that I finally found this bug because that's a rather hard. Okay, so yeah, it should work now. Wow. Okay. That has been in here for a little bit. Okay, so cool. So I can now toggle this. Now, change last claim time. Now, do I have a claim reminder active? Probably not. Last claim time. So let's change it to, I don't know, like this. Now let's use something a little older, maybe. Yeah, maybe this wow, no, that's a little too old. Maybe something today, but this morning? Yesterday, today. Yes, let's use this. Okay. Now, let's change the last claim time. The fuck? Ah. Wait, what? That was actually a rather ugly bug, I think. Has no... Oh. Typo. Okay. Let's try that again. It actually changed it. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now let's go create a claim reminder for, I don't know, 8 hours, which gives me one in 4 hours. Cool. Now let's change the time again to something a little closer. This is still open. Okay. So that means this now changed the reminder time to in 8 hours. Perfect. Now, if I change this to something in the past again, this should delete the reminder. Although I'm just asking myself, should I even do that? Actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's make that less smarter. Instead of just getting rid of them, if this is older, so if it's older, end time new is okay. What am I calculating? So the end time new is the old one, and then I add to that the difference between the new one and the old one. Okay, here we can do the opposite. So we take it away. And now I can say, so if... Yeah, if... Current time, I don't have that anywhere. Sad. If UTC now... minus end time new is actually, yeah, if it is over a day, well, you know, the issue is if you set a claim reminder, you set it to like 8 hours, right? So if you change the last claim time, what you actually need to know is the difference between the old last claim time and the end time of the reminder. So this is actually okay, so original reminder time left, what a name, is reminder.end time minus the last claim time old. Okay, so now I have, for example, 8 hours, right? So I know it should remind 8 hours of, you know, yeah, let's just get rid of this bullshit. Right, so now new reminder time left is self dot reminder.end time minus wait. Now I have that issue again that it might not be negative. Stupid fucking time deltas, I swear. Maybe I need that old code after all because of this. So if the last claim time is older than the last claim time, the end time new is reminder end time. No, actually, fucking hell, this is messing. I'm just really not in the mood for this, honestly. I'm gonna do something else. Oh man, this is just, I'm really not. I just want to look outside, look at the nice weather instead of doing this bullshit right now. All because of the stupid time deltas, I swear. Okay, so this is the original reminder time left. Right, now I set a new last claim time. I can now get the... So let's just do this. Now, new end time would be the self.view.user settings.last claim time, and this is now added to that, right? And now I just have to see, okay, is this in the past or is it not in the past? Okay, that's actually easy. If new end time is in the past, utils, I can't even type anymore. If this is in the past, then new end time is going to be current time UTC now. Okay, now current time, then the new end time is going to be current time in a second, and then I'm just going to update that. Done. Right? Okay. Well, that took way too long. Settings reminders. Okay, first let's see what do we have right now. Claim reminder in 7 hours. Yeah, the last claim time was half an hour ago, so it was 8 hours, I think. So let's just change it to something really old. Which means it should now... Of course I get an error. Fuck you, man. Last claim time. Yeah, okay. I'm getting so tired of this. I think the rest of the weekend, after I have added that stuff, I will not touch any code. I really need a break. Let's do this. And now I should get a reminder. Of course I don't get a reminder. Oh, fuck you. Stupid. Bullshit. Why? What is going on now? Claim in 7 hours. What? I need to hop in here. What the fuck just happened? I mean, it clearly updated this stuff, but it did not update any reminders at all. Why? All right, let's set it back. Settings reminders. This is now probably going to mess everything up. Yeah, now I have a claim reminder in 4 days. So the part that didn't work is this. Why? Huh? I don't know, man. Okay, let's change this. Oh, yeah, okay, now it's... Let's change this to claim in 52 minutes. What? Ah, this is the real Molly. Never... okay, let's change it to 8 hours again. Now, let's change it to something in the past. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay, new end time is... So, okay, the original reminder time left is... Oh my goodness. Can't you just give me something I can actually read? Bloody hell. 7, yeah, okay, it's 8 hours. Right. Current time... Looking good, I would say. Now, if this is older, new end time is set to... Where is new end time? To... What? What the hell? That is... Oh, actually, no. This is actually accurate, right? Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, okay. This is correct. I need to go way back to... Okay. Now we have something old. Okay, let's try that again. Now I'm in here again. New end time. Yeah, so the new end time is... Yeah, clearly in the past. Now, new end time is... Yeah. That's also correct. So, why? Oh, now it... Hey, I swear, why does it work now? Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, let's hop out of here now. Okay, shop reminders are done. We added the energy settings toggle. What about messages? They are not in here. Why? Let me have a look at settings, reminders, messages. Settings, user, clan, helpers, messages. Here we go. What do I loop over? In activities. Aha. Okay. Energy shop. What is activities commands? Do I even need that anywhere? No, I don't. Okay, we have activities columns. Okay, I actually need that. So reminder energy shop. Reminder shop. We have events / commands. Okay. Now let's see if that now magically pops up. Yo, nice. Oh, I need some descriptions here. Yeah, okay. So I think I will probably call it an episode after this, and then as much as it pains me right now, I'm gonna do another one to add the energy reminder, and then I'm gonna take the whole weekend off, and if shit breaks, shit breaks. I need a break from this. I really do. Max energy time. Max energy time is... What is this? Energy full. You know, this is actually a really stupid thing to add. Or is it? If I add the max energy time, I just have to make sure that it is... No, I can't. Yeah, okay. I will have to make a few changes. So first, max energy time has to be set when the reminder actually triggers, not before. And energy amount, same from the activity name. Okay, right. Max energy time. Time until your energy is full. And And the other one is called, where is it? Energy amount. You know what? Let's call them energy max time. So you won't believe this, but my fucking neighbor just started again. Just what the hell is wrong with this guy? Energy amount. The amount the amount of energy you want it to be reminded for. The amount of energy reached. No, the reminder was set for. Time. Let's call this energy full time. So yeah, energy full time and energy amount. Time until your energy is full. All right, shop. We have item name. You know what? Item name. Maybe I should call it shop item name. Or let's just call it shop item. That also means I need to change some code. Shop item, yeah. Use command, yeah, okay. Shop item. Because there could be other items at some point, you never know. So item name is kind of unspecific. Name of the shop item that is back in store. Okay. All right. So item name. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Actually, yeah. I need to go here. There we go. Here we go. Shop item. Okay. I think that's all I need to change, literally. That's it. Because in the case of the energy reminder, I haven't really added anything yet. Right, so that makes the shop reminder already usable, I guess. But because I also added some energy stuff, I can't really update it yet, so... Oh well. Yeah, okay, so thank you for watching, even though I am ranting a lot because I'm not really in the mood, but you know, that's just how it is. I will see you next time.